Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Honda Kahlo, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Witch's Moon box for July 2021. I'm really late, but you know, life happened, and I'm glad to be here today. So let's check it out. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. All right. See what we got here. Psychic armor. Energy of love. Behold the world through the eyes of love. Pretty. Okay, let's put this over here. Within this circle, within this space, I call upon my guides to protect and keep safe. All that is not welcome must leave. So mote it be. Nice. I love that. Ooh. Hematite. Smoky quartz. Black obsidian. Yes, I love these things. I finally have a way to put them up, and so I'll be sharing that with you guys at some point. I know I keep saying that, but it's been crazy, y'all. Start with this. Lunessa. Oops. I'll still use it. Smell good. There you go. Devil's Claw. Peppercorn. Star anise. Rope incense. Yum. We have psychic armor. Good, good, good. Smells almost like vanilla-y maybe. Let's see. We've got our candle here. Looks to be like a dark one. Let's see what color. It's like black or navy blue. It feels like navy blue. Okay. And then this looks like a brazier. So here's like the little stand that you put the feet on. Very pretty. Pretty, pretty. Put a little sand in here, put your charcoal, burn your stuff. And not your house. This is nice, so it has a little lid with holes so that you can smell what you're doing. And then last but not least is a beautiful box. Pull this off. Yeah. Oh, wow. Tamala. Obsidian, hematite, smoky quartz. Beautiful. Beautiful. It feels so good. Wow. So beautiful. Wow. I'm not on social media with how busy I've been with school, so like everything is a surprise. I mean, I haven't seen any of this before, so it's really exciting. Psychic armor. As we continue to craft and create our intentions on this beautiful journey, we must be vigilant in protecting our space and psyche. A very familiar task, we work to maintain our awareness towards impending spirits and energy that intend to disrupt and invade our workings and well-being. We are not naive in thinking that we can walk protection on our path. We stand confident in knowing that we surround ourselves with many guides, friendly spirits, and natural allies. In this very sacred collection, we work with one-of-a-kind tools that were created to fortify your psychic armor so that you may practice your craft without fear of intrusion. Psychic Power and Enhancement Necklace. Many moons in the making, this wonderful psychic protection and enhancement necklace holds such powerful and potent energies. Carefully strung and tied between each bead, this necklace has been cared for and created with pure intentions specifically for this collection. As a token of protection and intuitiveness, allow this necklace to be your steady and sure companion during rituals or meditations. We do not recommend allowing others to touch or wear this necklace, as it will be charged with your specific intentions and energies familiar to your path and purpose. It's made of black obsidian, smoky quartz, and hematite, ensuring that each has been picked for its quality and beneficial properties. Many of the stone beads are black obsidian, used for scrying and visionary attributes. Commonly found as a material used for creating scrying mirrors or grazing balls. Black obsidian allows us to receive messages and signs more easily from familiar guides and ancestors. In addition to being a wonderful divinatory tool, black obsidian is a protective stone and is known for its ability to keep us grounded and free from negative attachments while we journey into ritual workings. You'll also find hematite beads placed within the necklace. Prominent and protective stone, it's a true ally, getting rid of any stress and anxiety-inducing energies that may be currently draining you. Restores confidence, provides balance, and refines our intuition. Glass is smoky quartz for its transformational qualities. It's rids aware of anxiety and uncertainty, provides gentle and reassuring energies, recenter you on your path, and reawaken your senses. We have followed the anatomy of the mala to bring sacredness and symbolism to your workings. It contains 108 beads, very specific to the mala, and was known as the number of existence to the Vedic tradition. As well as the importance behind the beads, the tassel holds the symbolism of 1,000 lotus petals. As you place this necklace in your hand, start by holding the large black obsidian above the tassel between your thumb and index fingers. As you pull each bead through your fingers, recite your intended affirmation. You will begin to notice that your focus and attention become sharp and aware. This affirmation can be as simple as, I am protected and powerful. After each use, this necklace has been charged and can be worn during rituals or throughout your day to capture the energy placed within. Allow this necklace to refine your psychic sight, fortify your protective barrier, and realign with your path. Wow. Black obsidian, smoky quartz, and hematite Book of Shadows artworks. I love it. I have been collecting these, and again, I will show you guys at some point how I've been collecting them, and so that'll be helpful. An incense vessel. Decorative container within this collection that you may burn incense or simply store any items that may be sacred to you. It can be used in a censer with sand and charcoal. When sand and charcoal has been added. Place near your altar or among your sacred space. Protection mantra and sigil artwork, which is here. Black protection spell candle. Intention of providing you with a safe and comforting sacred space. As you allow the flame to dance, recite your own mantra or simply use this protection mantra included with this collection. It is vital that we state our purpose before we begin, speaking clearly that we may be allowed in our circle and what is not welcome. This time is for you, on your terms, created with your specific intentions. Psychic Armor Magical Anointing Oil. Created with the intention of providing you with a protected environment as you work through your rituals and meditations. Cedar, almond, sandalwood, frankincense, and myrrh. It has rosemary, frankincense, and St. John's wort herbs. It has a Lemurian quartz and protectress magical oil. Lunessa celebratory sacred salt. Frankincense, rosemary, basil, with frankincense, rosemary, and St. John's wort. And First Harvest magical oil from their personal collection. Nagchampa ritual rope incense. Nagchampa was chosen for the specific collection for energies of protection, awareness, and grounding. Star anise. Psychic intuition. Protect and banish evil. Devil's claw. It can be used for inflammation, pain, and arthritis. It can be placed within doorways, corners of ritual spaces, or included within mojo bags for a protective barrier, blocking out any negative and unwanted energies. Peppercorn. Mixed with salt and sprinkled around your property, peppercorn can be a potent protector. Watcher of evil. Pushes negative and overwhelming emotions and energies out of ritual areas and sacred spaces. And then the personalized oracle reading from Divine Guidance Through the Hearts of the Great Sages. Oh, wait. Sufi Wisdom Oracle. Divine Guidance from the Hearts of the Great Sages by Rasuli. Very cool. And, of course, parchment paper. Absolutely lovely, guys. Wow. I'm so excited. I've been doing a ton of protection work. That's been one of my major focuses this year. This is so beautiful, and it feels so nice. It's so pretty. I've been really doing a lot of practicing, a lot of practicing this year. As you know, I've pulled in this year. The first half, I learned from other people. I was part of some groups. I have been called over the last couple months to okay, I've spent 6 months putting myself out there. Now the last 6 months, just as the world turned inward, I need to turn inward. I need to integrate what I've learned. The time has come to pull back into myself. And so that's what I'm doing. And it feels good. It's time. I learned a lot, but now integration is the part that's coming. And we can talk about more of that in some of the lives that I have coming up. And, I mean, God willing. You never know what's going to happen. Huh, Walter? But I love this box. I love everything by The Witch's Moon. They're a wonderful company. They make high quality stuff. I have been everywhere. Not everywhere, but I have been a lot of places looking at different witchcraft shops and just things that I can buy. And just as far as quality and content, it can't be beat. I've been to tons of stores, like from New Orleans to Seattle to California. I mean, yeah, I haven't been to the East Coast, but still, I've been a lot of places, and they're still the best. So I highly recommend them to you. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.